Okay, now see, for example, see, today we are doing Delph B2 expression écrite. Delph B2 expression écrite. What is expression écrite? This is something like your letter writing. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Expression écrite. Now, for example, now see what would be the letter format. Now, par exemple, Navjot, listen to me. Vous habitez dans une petite ville française. Now, par exemple, you are living in a small city. Vous habitez dans une petite ville française. C'est clair? Et le maire, c'est-à-dire quoi? The mayor of your city. Okay, let me write it down. Let me write it down. You have to read this. Now, for example, this is your letter format. Not a letter format, you will get a expression creep like that. Now, par exemple, vous habitez dans une petite ville française. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And the mayor of the city, they treat. It means the mayor of the city wants to destroy la piscine publique de votre quartier. You want to destroy the pool, public pool in your area pour le remplacer par un grand parking, to replace the pool into a big parking. C'est clair? Is it clear to you? See,
Yes.
these type of letters you will get
Yes,
into
sir.
section B. Now, for example, there is a pollution and you have to write something for a pollution to mayor of the city. Is it clear to you? Clear, Prabjot?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to, use these words? Now, comment vous ajoutez les mots? Comment, quelle est la règle de votre écriture? C'est clair? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Mais ici, par exemple, vous pouvez commencer votre écriture. See, you're speaking, you are writing a letter to the mayor of the city, and you cannot write like that. Like, I just came to know you are going to destroy the pool and you are replace this pool in a parking place. No, 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 no. We cannot write like that. We have to respect the mayor of the city because he is the mayor of the city. C'est clair. He is the superior person in the city. So I can write like that. Sir, please allow me to write a letter like I'm the speaker. I'm speaking on the behalf of the habitants, the people who are living in my area. And in order to make you aware about our sentiments of this decision that you are, destroying the place of the sports, you're destroying the blah, 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 you're destroying the public piscine, say Claire. We
Yes.
are very much sad for this new news which you have announced. So for this season, I want you to understand the situation and please be aware of the disadvantages if you will destroy the swimming pool. So we have to write like that. Is it clear to you? Now,
Yes, sir.
Prabjot, how we can write? Now repeat after this is a regular. Now, comment vous écrivez une lettre dans le sexe Delph B2? Vous devez écrire je me permets. Répétez après moi. See, this is a regular. Prabjot, I'm giving you the regular. C'est clair, Prabjot?
Yes, sir.
Now, répétez après moi. Je me permets de vous écrire. Please, I take the liberty of writing to you. Is it clear to you, Prabjot?
Yes, yes, sir.
Je me permets de vous écrire. ये बहुत important regular है. En tant que is as a. En tant que is as a. So, je me permets de vous écrire en tant que porte-parole. Porte-parole is a speaker. Like, for example, you're speaking on the behalf of the society. So, you are the porte-parole. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Des habitants, the habitants, de notre quartier of our neighborhood. Afin de vous faire connaître, in order to let you know, afin de vous faire connaître, in order to let you know, nos sentiments or feelings au sujet de votre récente décision. In order to let you know our feelings about your recent decision. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
The détruire to destroy du quartier, sorry, pardon, détruire le complexe du sport, to destroy the sports complex. Du Saint-Jacques is the name of the place, où, where se trouve également le piscine public, where the public swimming pool is also located. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Nous sommes véritablement indignés. We are truly sadistic, really sadistic, par cette nouvelle unacceptable, for this new unacceptable news. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Et je tiens d'ailleurs, Prabjot, you have to use these. See, par example, Prabjot, it's very simple to grab good marks in your letter writing. You have a problem for pollution. Now, for example, there's a trees in your area and they're cutting down the trees. Say, Claire.
Yes.
Okay. And they want to make a road, a big highway. So you can write the same templates. Can you, is it tell yes and no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So if you have a problem in terms of like that, so you can use the same templates. Je tiens d'ailleurs. Je tiens d'ailleurs à signaler. Besides, to signaler is to highlight. Besides, d'ailleurs is besides. It's saying je tiens d'ailleurs. I wish. Besides, to point out, signaler. Si après quelques raisons. I will point out below some reasons. Afin que vous preniez. Afin que is my subjunctive. Preniez. Subjunctive. I will explain to you subjunctive also. You have seen the subjunctive the day I sent it to the session, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Afin que vous preniez. Afin que is my subjunctive, Prabjot. So that. Afin que is my subjunctive. Afin que so that. Vous preniez conscience. You take awareness. Conscience, awareness. You take awareness. The indignation for this sadistic indignation. The novoisin. The sadistic part of our neighbor. Is it clear to you, Prabjot? So
Yes, sir.
these are the templates which you have to work on. So, après moi, Prabjot, je me permets de vous écrire en tant que porte-parole des habitants de notre quartier afin de vous faire connaître nos sentiments au sujet de votre récente décision de détruire le complexe de sport du quartier du Saint-Jacques, où se trouve également la piscine publique. Now, it is just you have to eliminate few words. Now, for example, there is a cutting down the trees. So you have to show them that we are very much sadistic about this thing. So what you can say? Nous sommes véritablement indignés par cette nouvelle inacceptable et je tiens d'ailleurs à signaler si après quelques exemples afin que vous preniez conscience de l'indignation de nos voisins. Can we apply? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So Prabhu, this is the templates for section B writing. And 99% you will get a letter like you have to write a letter to the mayor of the city for having a problem something. And you can apply the same regularly. Is it clear to you? Prabhu?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, for example, you see, then how we have to apply three arguments over here, like how we can start with, how we can show, how we can highlight the things. So we can say, Prabjot, very important session. Considérons tout d'abord, répétez après moi, Prabjot.
Considérons tout d'abord.
Declare, it means considering first of all. Let's first consider le cas, the case, qui c'est le seul centre de sport dont la piscine est le principal équipement pour les voisins. I'm saying, let's first consider the case. Okay, le cas, the case, le cas que c'est le seul centre This is only the center of the spots in which dont la piscine est le principal équipement. Swimming pool is the main principal main. The piscine est le principal équipement pour les voisins, for the neighbor. Is it clear to you? The main
Yes.
equipment for the neighbors. On a way, indeed. आपको सोचिए पूरा रीड करना है, मेरा पूरा सेशन दोबारा रीड ऑन करना है, एंड आपको मैं एक टॉपिक दूंगा, फिर आपको उसमें लिखना है. क्लियर? ऑन अ
Okay.
फेस indeed les enfants de notre quartier, the children from our neighborhood, on appris la natation, learn to swim in this pool, dans cette piscine, avec l'aide de professionnels, with the help of the professionals, qui seraient au chômage, they would be unemployed. Chômage, unemployment, c'est clair.
Oui.
À cause de sa destruction, because of this destruction. Par ailleurs, through elsewhere. Par ailleurs, we have through elsewhere. Okay, you know, in IELTS we have do these are connected through elsewhere. So same we have used in French. Par ailleurs, use this connector. Quand ces enfants ont grandi, the children grew up. Grandi, ils se sont servis de cette piscine. Is it clear to you? They
Yes,
use
sir.
this swimming pool en moyen de participer au concours régionaux des équipes de water polo, etc. What is that? Par ailleurs, through elsewhere, quand ces enfants ont grandi, when the children grew up, ils se sont servis, they used to, with the swimming pool, c'est un moyen de participer. This is a way, moyen, this is a way to participate in a regional competition of team. Keep is my team, right? There is a keep team of water polo, etc. जो कुछ भी आपने लिखना चाहो. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then I can
Oui.
use the line, the year. Let me write it down. एक second. Okay, now I can say the year. Why use the year? The year is moreover. See, we are using a connector. Say clash.
Oui.
I can say the year. La société dont je suis intermédiaire ne partage pas l'opinion d'avoir. Now what is that? The year. एक सेकंड होल्ड करना.
Okay, sir.
एक सेकंड. The year, la société dont je suis intermédiaire, moreover, the company of which I am intermediary. The company is meant the society. The society you're living with is not a company. Société is used for company also. Société we use for the society of your living, where you're living. Societies. Society where I'm living, I'm an intermediary. I'm an intermediate. It's because you are a porte-parole. So porte-parole we are using over here intermédiaire. Is it clear to you? So we are using, see, we cannot repeat the words. Porte-parole, we have a speaker. Okay. Intermédiaire is also a speaker. Is it clear to you? Because he's
Yes.
saying the society of which I am intermediary, ne partage pas l'opinion, do not share the opinion to have a new parking lot in the city. What is saying? The year, la société dont je suis intermédiaire ne partage pas l'opinion, don't share the opinion d'avoir to have a nouveau parking dans la ville. वो क्या कह रहा है? Moreover, the society where I'm living, I do not share the opinion of which to have a new, it means saying we do not request for new parking place in our city. Même si, even though, nous comprenons le fait qu'il y a une pénurie, very important, pénurie du parking pour les véhicules. What is saying, even though we understand, देखो आपको, see, whatever decision taken by the mayor, I have to respect somewhere also in some extent. I'm saying even though men say no compromise, we understand. Le fait, the fact qu'il y a une pénurie, there's a shortage. Penury, we have a shortage. Penury, is it clear to you? That there is a shortage of parking for the vehicle. Principalement, mainly, en été, in summer, nous sommes d'avis que d'autres possibilités existent. We are of the opinion that other possibilities exist pour combler cette complication. It means to fill this complication, pour combler, for filling this complications. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Why je tiens par la présente? For that's why I here want to submit, I will submit quelques suggestions, some suggestion destiné à remédier, intended to be remedy, destiné à remédier à cet état de fait, ainsi la promotion du transport en commun et le covoiturage. Repeat after me. C'est pourquoi, that's why. Je tiens par la présente. Use करना है, je tiens par la présente. I hereby present. À vous soumettre, to submit. Quelques suggestions, some suggestion. Destiné à remédier, to intended to remedies, you know remedies. À cet état, for this state. Ainsi la promotion, thus the promotion of the public transport and the carpooling. We're saying we have to promote something else in order to covoiturage your carpooling. You know carpool. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, you have to avoid in the company. Use carpooling, covoiturage. For example, there are 6 employees in a company that they're coming there by their own cars. So rather than use 6 cars, they can come in 2 cars. That is covoiturage. Say Claire.
Right.
They can share the expense of the petroling. So that is saying ki, I understand this shortage, penury, but we can promote the system of covoiturage. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Right.
So then he's saying, so that how you can use these expressions. Then ending, how you go for ending? The ending you have to do like that. The ending should be espérons avoir, hoping that, espérons, I hope to have, espérons avoir, hoping to have, par ce courrier, by this mail, attirer votre attention. Saying hoping to have this courier, this mail is attract your attention. Attirer votre attention. Je vous prie de croire. I beg you. Je vous prie de croire. क्योंकि see, आप एक map को लिख रहे हो. You're writing a map of the city, mayor of the city. You cannot say, okay, I hope, I will be very grateful. No, I beg you. Je vous prie. Prie is my deep request. Prie. Say Claire, ये रूल है आपका प्रभजोत, ये B2 का लेटर फॉर्मेट करना ही ऐसे है. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
मेयर को जब आप एप्लीकेशन लिखते हो, whenever you write a mayor, application to mayor, ये रूल ये करने ही करने हैं. प्रभजोत मैंने को रूल दिए, ये लिखने ही है प्रभजोत. और प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है आपको गार्बेज के ऊपर, देशी के ऊपर. I will give you a lot of the subjects and gradually you will pick the pattern. Clear? तो आप क्या बोलोगे? ये लिख, मैंने आपको बता दिया कि प्रभु लिखना ही लिखना है और इतना इजी है B2 का लेटर राइटिंग. जो मैं दूंगा वो करना ही करना है बस. Is it clear to you? So
yes, sir.
Monsieur le maire, the mayor of the city, à l'expression de toute ma considération, the expression of all my consideration. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So प्रभजोत, एक आपको मैं दे रहा हूँ, 1 सेकंड होल्ड करो प्रभजोत. ओके,
Okay.
1 सेकंड, मैं आपको कॉल बैक करूँ 1 सेकंड.